Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to chat on ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp account and go over here under channels, click on this plus icon and give your chat room a name. Enable this option, make private, and just click on create. This will look like this. Now, if you want to invite people to this chat room, just click on share on top right corner, select access, and here type the people name. Type the people email addresses and they will be invited to this chat room. Now you all can chat to each other, reply to your messages, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.